All right, y'all. Quick update for the folks that do watch. Try to keep up with me. Just got this in for the GA. Man, she looks good though. But I was always really hesitant with the Alibaba stuff, but I mean, that looks so good. It doesn't really compare to like getting it in person, actually seeing it and holding it. I mean, they're not 1,000% perfect, but I mean, for the price, and the guy in China was really dope. He was in contact the whole time with me. If I had any questions or concerns, he got it taken care of pretty quick. I think it took about like 2 weeks to ship. Comes with all the trim pieces as well. So hopefully tomorrow I should have some time at the shop. Shouldn't be too busy, hopefully. I'll get her pulled in and yeah, we will see about getting her installed. But just from first glance, I am really satisfied. And you know, what people were saying online is pretty true. They're pretty solid in person. Takes a little while to get it from China, but Lord, does that look good though. So yeah, stay tuned. I should have this and the trim pieces on hopefully tomorrow. So yep, we're gonna get her all together. Hopefully, I think it's gonna match that blue pretty close. So we'll see.